Another thing on these 190s I'm learning, I'm hoping I can help someone else out who's going through this. So the ignition, when they wear out, you need to get it before it's completely gone, because you need to turn it to this position, make sure those notches line up, build yourself a little tool like this, and what you do is you just poke down in those, and there's two little nubs inside you have to depress, and then the whole barrel comes out, and then you could get a new barrel for like 20 bucks. And then you put it in and it comes with a new key. It might not match your door at that point, but that's another issue. And then you got your illumination ring and your lock ring and all that, but just one more thing you kind of learn as you go. So hope that helps someone.